Hey garden lovers! Just because it's November doesn't mean you have to say goodbye to your garden. In fact, there are still plenty of veggies you can plant now to get a beautiful fall harvest. Today we're going over 10 vegetables you can still plant in November for a cozy, productive fall garden. Starting with garlic. November is actually one of the best times to plant garlic. You'll get to enjoy a harvest next summer, and the cool weather helps cloves develop strong roots. Just plant each clove about 2 inches deep, pointy side up, and give it a nice layer of mulch. Next up is spinach. Spinach loves the cool weather, so it's perfect for November planting. Plus, it grows quickly and can survive light frosts, giving you fresh greens through fall and into early winter. Try planting it in raised beds or containers if you're worried about colder temperatures. Kale is incredibly resilient and can tolerate cold weather. It even tastes sweeter after a frost. Sow seeds directly in the soil, and you'll see baby greens in a few weeks. Not only does kale add a pop of green to your garden, but it also packs a nutritional punch. Carrots are another hearty choice for a November garden. They're slow-growing but frost-tolerant, and the cooler temperatures actually make them sweeter. Choose a short, fast-maturing variety and cover them with a bit of mulch to keep the soil warm. Radishes are perfect if you're looking for a quick-growing crop. Many radish varieties mature in just 3 to 4 weeks, so you can still get a harvest before winter sets in. Plant them close together for a steady supply of crunchy radishes. Beets thrive in cool weather, and November planting gives you tender roots and delicious greens. Beets are a great 2-for-1. You can eat the roots as well as the leafy tops. Plant them about an inch deep and a few inches apart for the best results. Like beets, turnips give you both edible roots and greens, and they're super easy to grow in cool temperatures. November is ideal for planting, and they grow fast. Turnip greens can be harvested early, while the roots mature in about 6 to 10 weeks. Lettuce is another leafy green that does well in fall and can tolerate some cold. Plant different varieties for a mix of colors and textures. Baby lettuce leaves can be harvested within a few weeks, giving you fresh salads all season long. November is a great time to start onions from sets. These little bulbs will grow through winter and be ready for a summer harvest. Plant them about an inch deep, and make sure to space them out for full-sized onions next year. And finally, we have mâche, also known as corn salad. This unique green thrives in cold weather and is incredibly frost-hardy. It has a mild, nutty flavor and is great for winter salads. Just sprinkle the seeds on the soil, press them down gently, and water. There you have it, 10 veggies you can still plant in November for a fresh, vibrant fall garden. Don't let the cold weather hold you back from enjoying homegrown produce. With the right choices, your garden can keep giving all through the cooler months. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed these tips, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a gardening update. Tell us in the comments which fall veggie you're excited to plant this November. Happy gardening, everyone!